Alright, so exercise 13, parameters unpacking of variables. In this exercise, we'll cover one or more input methods you can use to pass variables to a script. You know how to type Python 3.6 to run a py file. Well, in exercise 13, py, part of the command is called an argument. What we'll do now is write a script that also accepts argument. Okay. So go ahead and start here from source import. Alright, so let's take a look at this real quick. It says read the wyss section. What is that? What you should see. Oh. Okay. On line 1, we have what's called an import. This is how you add features to your script from Python feature set. Rather than give you all the features at once, Python asks you to say what you plan to use. I think I've done that before. So this is the argument variable. This is the argument variable. This variable holds the arguments you pass to your Python script when you run it. In this exercise, you'll get to play with some more. Line 3. So line 3, a argument. So Jesus, line 3 unpacks argv so that rather than holding all the arguments, it's assigned to 4 variables. You can work with a script, first, second, third. This may look strange, but unpack is probably the best way to describe what it is. It just says take whatever is in argv, unpack it, and assign it to all 3 of these variables left in order. So we just print like normal. Alright. Column feature. Modules. From now on, we will be calling these features that we import modules. We'll import the system module. They're also called libraries. Let's just stick them on. Alright, so let's do this. Excuse me. Alright, Python sample 13.py first, second, third. Let's see, or no such file or directory. Oh no. Okay. There we go. Alright, so Python. What's it? First, second, forward, third. The script is called exercise 13.py. So looking at it up front, the argument the argument module took the first one identified here as script, and its function is to tell me the name of the script being run, and then for the first variable is first, second, third. So these, so these are the variables. So you have to tell it what the variables are going to be, I guess. Alright, let's see what it says. Alright. This is what you should see when you do a few different runs with different arguments. You can actually replace first, second, third with any three things you want if you don't run quickly, and you'll get this error. Alright, so let's say let's use Banjo's Toys. We have pizza, we have a hamburger, and our most recent addition is fish. So I'm gonna run it like this. See what error I get. First, second, third is not defined. Alright, so I actually need to do this. Pizza, hamburger, fish. Alright. So first is not defined. Why is it still? Oh, okay, it's reading this, telling me that this isn't defined. Okay. Let's see how it's doing. Alright. Pizza. Should work. Hamburger. And fish. Alright, now let's try. Okay, so let's see here. This happens when you do not put enough arguments on the command when you run. In this case, just okay. So if I don't put enough arguments, let's say I run fish at enter, you get line 3 in module script pizza hamburger fish. Not enough values to unpack. Expected 4 got 3. Okay. That's pretty simple. Study rules. Try giving fewer than 3 arguments to your script. Did that. Alright, try giving fewer than 3 arguments. Okay. Well, I just did that. Alright, so let's do fish and then you said bun bun. So that gives you too many values to unpack. Alright, combine input with argv to make a script that gets more input from a user. Okay. Input. Banjo. What is your favorite toy? Look back at this. So okay, toy equals puts. Alright, I'm a little confused here. Okay, so combine input and argument to make a script that gets more. Don't overthink it, just use it to get something input to get something else from it. Okay, that's easy. So we're gonna rerun this bad boy. We're gonna move bun, hit enter. Your first, let's call this just your first toy. And your first toy. Alright, so let's rerun this now. Alright, so your first toy is pizza, your second toy is hamburger, your third toy is fish. Banjo, what's your favorite toy? Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna print F. I knew your favorite toy was toy. Let's see what this does. Pizza. I knew your favorite toy was pizza. Okay. All right. So I need to do this. Difference between the argument and input. We must be given on the command. Oh gosh. So that was exercise 13. Cool, things are getting more interesting, for sure. I really like this book. Thanks to Shaw.